Happy birthday, David Kitty. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candles out. Hey, make a wish. Make a wish, Kitty. You're only 21 months. Make a wish, blow all the candles out at once. And your wish never stop. All right, Kitty. You got the hardest job of all. Come on, Jeff. Help her blow it out. Blow it out. There you go. Come on, Jeff, get your hand out of your face. How you gonna blow with your hand out of your face? There. Great. What you doing? Now it's done. There. There.
David?
What? Go ahead, eat the candle. Keep on going.
All these candles, David.
Look at all those ends. Here, let's hold the cake up so you can see it. We'll show the cake off. The cake. Yeah, isn't that a cute cake? Nanny made that.
Let's get a hold.
Robbie.
Dan, switch over to
Kitty.
me.
Poor little Kitty. You're supposed to
Oh,
talk
my
and say
God.
hello. That's cute.
You have to say something, Kitty.
Remember, this is not a movie.
You're supposed to say
Careful what you
something.
say.
I said it's a film.
Okay, that's enough.
Read the card.
Those are your animals.
Here, read the
These are
card.
the animals. Hey, get out of the way, Robbie.
Read it out loud.
Do you know what King Kong does on his birthday? Anything he wants. Hope you do all you want to do on your birthday, little lover.
David?
David.
David?
You're supposed to lick at your dad, David. Wow.
What is it, David?
What is it? Look at it.
the eggs.
Oh, boy.
It's a model.
Yeah.
Leave it alone. It's David. Leave it alone.
Hey, boys.
As if I didn't know.
Why are you screaming? It's a puzzle.
David? David?
I'm a dummy kid. Letters, picture alphabet. We're going to.
Who's it from, David?
Me. Robbie.
All right, open another present. You don't know that one is, Robbie.
How come you're hiding from the camera, Kitty?
I think you'll like it.
Hey, Daddy's opening another present, Mom.
This one's for me. Mom. David, which is for me?
Hey, wait. That's neat. Pair of shoes.
I'll take one.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
What is it? Dad.
What is it?
It's a $1 bill.
Move it down from your face. What is it?
It's a $1 bill.
Can I borrow it?
No.
What are you going to buy,
You're
Red?
awful
You'll
stingy.
steal it. I know what I'm going to buy. Take it up.
You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeffrey. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles out. There. Wow.
Hand me a present.
You're a present. What do you think that is, Jeff?
Decaf.
Turn that other light on, too, Gladys.
Oh,
Come on. I want to see if they
Come
get
here.
me.
Wait a minute. Next up, yeah.
Mine, that's for me. You know what's neat. Boy, thanks, Mom.
Sit down.
You guys can go ahead and talk.
Come on.
Okay, that's enough.
I might. And I will. You better. That's from you? No.
Hold it up, Jeff. Hold it up.
Darn gun!
I'm gonna get him a picture of it, Mom. Hold it up, Jeff, so I can see it.
Am I in the white bill?
Good.
Look at him. Please green. Let me see. The dark guy. Nathan.
Open this one.
Can I look at it?
Move your head, Dave.
Go back.
Here. I hope it's a big monster, a green snake, Jeff.
A skinny man!
Let me see, Jeff. Hold it up.
Sea calf!
Hold it like this.
Try it
Put
on,
it on.
Jeff.
Put it on. Here. Wait a minute. Well, yeah. All right.
Wait a minute,
I don't know
Dad.
what time you want to come over.
I'm gonna take it off.
Oh, 7:30.
I guess Christy's too late for the party. Yeah. She's...
Oh boy, looky there. Jeffrey looks real swell. Put that little beanie thing on top so I can get a good picture of him. Smile, Jeff. Smile real good.
Not
Hold it.
bad.
Put your gloves on and hold your police thing up too.
You do that too. See? Keep your nose and your mouth warm when you're riding a bike.
Hold your dart gun up. Yeah. The other way, Jeff. Yeah. All right, Jeff, smile. Well, wait. Just put that thing down, Jeff. Because I'll get a picture of you with that thing in your hand. All right? Okay, put that thing down. Yeah, that's good. Ready? Hold it up a little more.
I dare to do my promise, to do my best, to do my duty, to guard my country, to be square, and to obey the law of the pack.
Is that it?
We got to, I will do my best to serve God and my church and my family. To live by the word of law and to make the word of wedding. Oh, yeah.
I want a full-length picture of you in your uniform. Now stand up there.
Oh, yeah. And then, yeah.
Hi.
And then, Billy.
Come on, Bill. Hurry.
Do your friend.
Hey, everybody else be quiet now.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna do my best to do my duty, guard my country, and obey the Scout law. Keep myself.
Come on,
I
Bill.
can't remember. Really wait, smile straight, and something else. Robert, don't be mean.
Hold up. I got a hold of his feet. To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now, Tom?